Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the top 10 animations of the week and explaining what makes them so great. Let's get started. We're going to get started with a design that creates a lot of visual interest by using overlapping images. Next up is a really clean to-do app. It's super cool how it maintains the circle shape on the right as the user moves the different elements up and down throughout the to-do list. Just a quick note, if you guys are enjoying this video so far, please go ahead and subscribe because we've got a lot of new content coming out soon. Next up, we've got a travel app and it shows really smooth transitions between the different cards and uses a super awesome 3D effect as the card becomes the background of the next screen. Next up is a design that features really strong text. And now we have a beautiful line illustration of a view through a train window. Notice how the different elements like the cars, the helium balloon, the helicopter, they all move at different speeds, and this is really what makes the illustration feel super dynamic. Next web page features some very strong text. Overall, there's a lot going on with the different transitions, moving shapes, and a video, but the black background really helps balance out all of that activity. Next up, we've got a website that shows a great example of how a parallax effect can be used effectively. This next app uses super bright and summery colors, which feels really bold because all of the cards are actually completely flat. There's no gradient or shadows within the colors. Next up, we have a beautifully animated app, which walks you through the entire e-commerce experience. And the winner for this week is a movie app with a really cool interaction. The background slides in at the same time as the movie card, and this really gives a completely immersive experience to the user. Alright guys, so that's it for this week. If you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and share, and we'll see you next week for your inspiration of the week.